Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to take a look at how to install Wine on Ubuntu 20.04, which is the long-term release of Ubuntu till date. So what we need to do is just open up your browser and search for Wine Linux, and it will show you Wine HQ official website. Just open that up. Once you open the website up, you can go over here and click on download the latest version of Wine. And over here you can choose your distribution on which you want to install Wine. As of my Linux, I am using Ubuntu, and I am going to select Ubuntu. And over here it is going to show you all the necessary steps that you need to perform in order to install Wine. So let's get started. Go to this your show application part over here and just search for terminal and open up your terminal. And over here we need to first run the following command. Enter your password. Now we need to add the repository key to our system, so just copy this up, paste it over here, and the repository key has been successfully added to our system. Now you can add the repository depending on the version of Ubuntu you are running. So I am running 20.04, so I am going to add the latest repository to my system. So if you are running 19.10, you can add this repository, and if you are running 18.04, you can add the following repository on your system. Now it is going to fetch some packages from the repository, and after that we are going to just simply run apt updates to update all the repository lists so we can continue with the installation of Wine. Just type sudo apt update, and it is going to fetch all the latest repositories from our sources list and all the packages that they contain. So over here you can see all the packages are up to date. So now what we can do is we can run the installation process. So we are going to install the stable branch of Wine. So just copy this command, and after that paste the command over here and hit enter. And it is now going to uh, ask you to accept ask you to accept if you want to really continue with the installation process of Wine. So I am going to hit Y and then click on enter. And after that it is going to download all the setup files that are required for the installation process. So this is going to take quite some time depending on your internet connection. So I'm going to pause the video and I will be back once the installation process is done. Now the installation process has been completed. So just to verify if Wine has correctly installed, just type Wine dash version and it will print out the installed version of Wine on your system. And now just to list out help, just type Wine and hit enter, and it will tell you what commands you can use using the Wine command, and that's really helpful when you are configuring or debugging any issue in Wine. So the next command is to configure Wine emulator on Linux. So just type Wine PFG and hit enter, and it is going to configure all the required settings that are needed for Wine, and it is going to download .NET framework and things like that. And this is going to take quite some time, and after that we can rerun this command and configure few other things like which Windows version we want to emulate. Like if we want to emulate Windows 7 or Windows 10, you have an option to do that. So I'm going to pause the video until this the download completes and it finishes the configuration process, and after that we will be back with. Now the download has been completed and it is asking us to install Gecko package, which is required for some application that render some HTML within. So let's click on install. It will be installed. After that, there is the option to select the operating system or in which you want to run your files on. Windows application on. So I am going to select Windows 10 and click on apply. And there are different other options that you can use, like you can import other libraries that you might need to use in order to run certain applications. Then there is graphic settings, then desktop integration, and there are things like that. So I am just going to click on OK, and after that, now let's see where the C drive for Wine is located. So open up your file manager. So you can just click on this folder icon over here, and just click on these three icons, and over here select show hidden files, and you will see .wine folder over here. Just open that folder, and over here you will see drive C, and here are all the files that are related to Windows file system, and you can access these files over here. So I am going to show you how you can run a Windows application. So in this case, I am going to be running Notepad. So just double click on this folder, just right click and click on open with the other application and select Windows program loader, and just double click that, and now it will open this Windows application using Wine, and you can use all the features that are available for Notepad in Windows on Linux using Wine. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions, do comment down below, do subscribe to our channel and like this video, and thanks for watching.